Very active weather day today, tomorrow, and Saturday across the Mid-South. As we showed you earlier in the Weathercast, this is an EF4 tornado that touched down in Lake City, Arkansas yesterday afternoon. And you can see that sweeping across the field there, that courtesy of WREG Channel 3 in Memphis. Yesterday, we had over 21 active tornadoes at one time on the ground. If you see this line that sweeps from almost into Louisiana right on up to the Missouri Boot Heel, this was just a huge line of tornadoes, and that's where the storm that you just saw came from, out of this line and out of the system. Now, this is what's lingering over for us, for Arkansas, for Tennessee as well. This system will stay here until Saturday. See, off to our east, there's a high-pressure front that's keeping that storm lingering. It's not going to go anywhere, so it's going to cause a lot of flooding. Even if it doesn't cause tornadoes or large hail, flooding is going to be a huge, huge problem. Let's take a look at what this storm has already done in the area. Again, all these are courtesy of WREG in Memphis. We see here in Tennessee and McNairy County, what looks to be a gas station completely wiped away. We see last night trees that have fallen over the roadway in Arkansas. We see also in Arkansas roadways that are just completely covered in debris, with power lines down, with everything but this stop sign basically knocked over or damaged in some way. And then we also see here, look at this. This is a train car. Imagine the amount of wind that it takes to knock over a train. They say it's hard to stop a train. It's even harder to knock it over on its side. And that's exactly what this weather has done over the past 24 hours. This is not a system to take chances with. This will be happening, and there's already a severe thunderstorm warning here for Oxford, but this kind of weather will stay around until Saturday, and it will just keep bringing punch after punch after punch into our area. It's going to be clear, and then it's going to come back, and that's going to be an ebb and flow that we'll have for quite some time. You see our temperatures around the area, 80 in South Haven, 81 here in Oxford. That is going to provide all of the fuel these systems need to really amp up, to really keep things going. And as we see tonight, tornado watch, flash flood watch, severe thunderstorm watch, all for one evening, and those aren't going anywhere until, again, Sunday morning, tomorrow for your Friday night, and especially all day on Saturday into Saturday evening. You will have these same warnings that will be in the area. If you're watching us today north of Oxford, this impacts you and will impact you all weekend long, so be sure that you heed that. Tomorrow, 81 degrees is our high, once again providing plenty of heat, which is fuel for these storms to continue doing what they're doing. A flash flood watch we can guarantee will remain in effect, and that will probably be upgraded to some severe thunderstorm warnings and some tornado watches as well. We don't want to discount the possibility for actual tornadoes that will be coming through, but we believe that our severe weather will err more on the side of hail, damaging winds, and heavy rain. Again, tomorrow's temperatures 83 in Oxford, 81 in Holly Springs, all the heat that we need to keep this going. So like we just said, pay attention tonight, tomorrow, and Saturday. We'll see this temperatures cool off on Sunday, and with that cooling of the temperatures, we will see that severe weather dissipate. We will see the sun start to come out on Sunday, and by Monday, we will see our conditions kind of turn around, go from 82 to 60 and to sunny skies. And we do need those sunny skies. We will need those sunny skies because some places are expected to get up to 14 inches of rain over the next 3 days. Now, as we just said, there have been some very damaging storms that have gone through McNairy County, Tennessee, and in Arkansas as well. And on your screen right now, they are going to, you're going to show places that you can donate items, food, clothing, whatnot, to McNairy County for all the victims up there. We certainly hope for them.
Yeah, well, I hope everyone's okay, and I hope that the storms decide to dissipate sooner rather than later.
Absolutely, it will
Definitely.
It'll be a time for sure.
Well, Caroline, what do we have going on in the world of sports?
A lot of sports, and we're taking it from the hoops to hits and putts. Ole Miss is traveling this weekend. All of this and more after this quick break.